Is it over? Why is the crypto market plummeting today? And is it going to continue going down? We're going to look at the latest news, technical analysis, and really take an overview of what has happened and what we can expect in the next couple of weeks. My free thinking rebels, welcome again to Decrypting Crypto. It is your host, Stefan Subero, the Holistic Growth Mentor. I am a certified holistic financial planning coach specializing in digital asset management, and I am on a mission to help busy parents, individuals, entrepreneurs, and business owners just like yourself to safely invest and automate your digital assets, create passive income, and build a legacy for yourself, your family, and your community. My free thinkers, if you are joining me right now, please take a minute, smash that subscribe button, show me your comments. Let me know what you're thinking. Are we going to continue going down? Is this the end of the bloodshed? These are some really good questions, and we're going to dive into the charts and really see. Look, the weekend was kind of crazy, right? Because it was a little bit unexpected. I did see there was a lot of weakness. We were getting rejected, but I didn't expect such a sudden drop. But we're going to take a second, really look at the charts in a minute and see, is this really something to be worrying about? Has this happened in the past? And if we actually analyze that, we can see that this is honestly just a baby dip when it comes to crypto. Personally, the Fear and Greed Index is still showing us that there's still too much greed in the market. So potentially, could we go down some more? Well. Let's jump in the charts in a little bit and we'll see that. But first off, what caused this massive dip? And again, not that massive for Bitcoin, but some of the altcoins really got wrecked. But again, part of this industry, part of this space, you got to make sure you got some hair on your chest. And if you don't, you definitely will get some by the end of this bull run. So what are we going to see right now? The crypto market, what caused this meltdown? So it says here that the crypto market is down today due to the heightened risk aversion led by the latest Iran-Israel conflict. Okay, this has caused about $2.5 billion in liquidation. The cryptocurrency market is down, the total market cap falling by 8.7% to 2.17 trillion. Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency by market cap, is leading the decline by failing 7.5% in the last 24 hours, reaching around 62,000, around 60,000 on some exchanges. And Ethereum, the second largest crypto, has dipped 10.6%. Now, the Israel-Iran conflict spurs the risk evasion. That is what they're saying, right? That's what they're saying the cause of this whole dip was. The crypto market recently in the 24-hour downturn is part of a broader correction that began on April 12th. This period has coincided with the escalating tensions between Iran and Israel following Iran's launch of attack drones and missiles in retaliation for an Israeli strike in Syria. Risk-on traders exercise extreme caution in the hours before and after the attack, moving capital away from riskier markets like crypto and seeking safety in safer havens like the US dollar. Now we can see that the US dollar, which measures the greenback's strength against baskets of top foreign currencies, has appreciated 0.79% since April 12th. Yes, we saw an increase in the DYX. What else can we see? Nearly 2.5 billion worth of crypto positions liquidated. And this is obviously a cascading effect, right? As these liquidations happen, it causes a cascading effect where more people get liquidated and more people get liquidated until we reach a nice little bottom. 2.5 billion, definitely not a small amount of liquidations, but is it over? Is this it? Is this it? Now, let's jump into the coin market cap and let's just take a broad overview. Now, for me, look, we're still, we almost got into the neutral zone, but we're still in the greed area right now. For me, again, I still think people are super bullish. Is this going to cause a massive panic sell overall? Highly unlikely. Based on where we are currently in the crypto bull run, where we are in the market cycle. Listen, we are only getting started. Did we shake out some weak hands? Definitely. Did we reset some trades? Yes, great. But I think potentially we can still see another leg down and maybe bring this greed into neutral again and create some more positions, some more buying zones for everybody to start getting in. So we can see that Bitcoin is down 1.2%, 3% in the last 24 hours, 10% in the last week. Ethereum is down 3.7%. Let's take a look at the crypto bubbles. Look at this. blood in the market, right? We have nothing too crazy though, if we really look at it, right? 24%, 35s, CFI 33. We didn't see any massive 60% drops. So again, overall, this is a walk in the park for crypto, right? This is normal crypto behavior. I don't think anybody is losing sleep over this. And if you are, then you're definitely not well positioned. Now, right now, we can sit back, look at this, and see where the opportunities lie. Because at this stage in the market, that is what you want to be doing. Taking your profits as we go up, and then waiting for these events to happen to now reallocate your assets and find the best projects to get into. Okay. Now let's take a quick look at the Bitcoin rainbow chart, and nothing has changed on the Bitcoin rainbow chart. We can see that we're hovering. We dipped below again, came back into this hollow area, and now we're back into. We came back into the still cheap zone, and now we're back into hollow. Right, this overall is not that massive of a dip if we really think about it. Right now, something else to look at: the spot Bitcoin ETF flow has not really changed. We could actually see that there's been a bit more outflow than inflow last week again, and I've been saying this until we see some more inflows on the Bitcoin ETFs. We can potentially continue to see a decline in the price, especially right now with the halving approaching. Normally, the price doesn't just explode after the halving. It takes a couple of months. So we could potentially continue to see some downwards action until we see some of these metrics start to change once again. So let's jump in the charts and let's really see how bad was this? How bad was this? So we had a drop. Let's use this top. It was a 16% drop. We came back down, perfectly touching the $60,000 zone. Really couldn't have been nicer than that. Bounced straight up, and now we are back up here. Let's see what fib are we on right now. If we look at this move, let's take a quick look at it. Okay, so we didn't come all the way down to the golden ratio. We bounced off a bit earlier, and now we're kind of hovering around the 0.382. We're now definitely in a bearish trend. We are below this pendant, which originally, again, I thought we could just maybe continue moving with it, but like crypto always does, surprises us with a nice dip to the bottom. And now we're kind of like using this as resistance now. So what can we expect in the next couple of days? Well, we can see as well that the Bitcoin dominance is increasing. We actually broke out of a very long pattern that we're in, and we are above the golden ratio. Now Bitcoin dominance came all the way up to 57%, and now it's sitting around that 55%. Potentially what I want to see is us come back down, retest the golden ratio as support, and get a nice solid bounce off of that, which again was going to bring some more bullish momentum down the line. We can then see Bitcoin dominating and starting to carry the next leg of the market, which is what traditionally happens, right? We can see that reset in the altcoins, reset in Bitcoin dominance increasing, and now Bitcoin should be now the spearheader moving forward, and then we'll see the altcoins pick up later on. So what else can we take a look at in here? We can see as well the total crypto market cap, not that big of a move down. We had a 20% move. We got supported at the golden ratio. Now we're getting a nice bounce, and we could potentially now start creating a nice move. Maybe sideways. We're going to have to wait and see how this week plays off and what potential we have. Now, my advice to anybody at this stage, and again, not my advice, this is not financial advice. But what I am doing and what we are doing at Breakout, we are going to be repositioning, rebalancing, and looking for the greatest opportunities to buy in. Can we continue going down? Yes. So don't go all in. Let's look for some signs. We could potentially go down a little bit lower, but dollar cost averaging in and getting those positions on the dips is what you want to be doing. Don't wait for us to start going back up too much. Get your positions on those altcoins that you were waiting for. Everybody's been waiting for these dips and nobody takes advantage of them when they come. So we want to be brave enough to look at these opportunities as what they are. Extremely good opportunities, especially. Look, let's take a look at some of the gaming coins. Again, if you're in our millionaire club, you would have access to a lot of these. Like we can see Chili's had a massive dip. Like look at this, 48% buy, baby. That's a buy. Let's look at Mana. Mana is down. Let's see, 40%. We have seen a massive pullback. So this is when you want to take advantage of these moves, get into your positions if you have not done it yet, and then wait for the rewards, wait for the price action to increase, and just take it easy, my friends. Take it easy, don't stress. And if you do need some help, if you are still looking for that guidance, feel free to use the link in the description and just book in a 45-minute session with yours truly, and we can look at what you're doing, where you want to go, and how we could potentially help you get there. Now, that's all I got for you, my free thinking rebels. I look forward to seeing you again in the next video. Stefan out.